Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to explain to you another part of pronunciation. It's called word stress. Okay, another dimensions of English pronunciation. So in this part, you will learn how to use word stress and what it function. Okay, let's see. First thing that you have to know, why a stress word is important for you. The first thing is confidence. What I mean by confidence is when you put a correct stress word, it will create a very nice pronunciation. So when you got a very good pronunciation, it will make you confident when you're doing English. Okay, that's the first time. Oh, sorry, the first thing I mean. Next, why word stress is important? Look at this picture. There are two persons which is in a kind of speaking activity, right? They got conversation, but there is something happening here, right? For example, this person tried to say something like this one, but when he or she said to his friend or her friend, it create this kind of meaning. So one of the important things is if you put a wrong stress word, it will create misunderstanding, because when you put incorrect stress word, it will create another meaning. For example, the word of important, right? Like this one, important. You have to put the stress word in the port or the second syllable, so you pronounce important, not important. So when you put incorrect position of stress word, it will create another meaning. So be careful with that one, yeah? Next. Okay, say it loud. Look at this one. I've got three words in here. You can see that there are three words, but with different stress word. The correct stress word is just like this one. For example, the first word here, we say it correctly with a word with the correct stress word, it will be photograph. Photograph, right? Not photograph, not photograph, but photograph. The second one, we put the stress word on the second syllable. This is the stress word symbol. Okay, so the second one, we put the stress word at the second syllable. So when you pronounce this word, it will be photographer. Photographer. Okay, and the third one, we put the stress word on the third syllable here. Syllable means suku kata. So in here we put the stress word on the third syllable, di suku kata ketiga. So look at this one, it will be photographic. Photographic. Okay, so you see the differences how to pronounce it. Okay, the first one on the first syllable, photograph. On the second syllable, photographer. And the third one is photographic. So this is how we put a correct stress word, right? So be careful, because as I told you, sorry I have to translate into bahasa ya. Ketika salah menempatkan stress word, itu akan berakibat pada terjadinya zero meaning. Apa yang dibilang zero meaning? Itu katanya tidak ada artinya sama sekali. Atau yang kedua, when you put incorrect stress word position, it will create another meaning. Jadi akan meng-create arti yang lain. Gitu ya. Jadi be careful with the stress word. Let's see. Okay, something that you have to remember ya. When you learn about stress word, you have to learn first about syllable. What is syllable? As I told you, syllable is just like this one. Syllables. How many syllables on the syllable are 3 syllables. Syllables. Jadi yang disebut dengan syllables itu adalah suku kata kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia. So you have to know first about syllable ya. Syllable means suku kata in Indonesia. Why is it important? Because tahu suku kata, maka dari itu kita akan tahu di suku kata kemana nanti. Di suku kata yang mana stress word itu harus ditempatkan. Begitu ya. Okay, let's see the other. Okay, when we talk about stress word, we have some rules that you have to follow. Okay, I call it as fantastic four. So, which is ada 4 rules ya yang harus kita perhatikan ketika belajar stress word. 4 rules, so I call it as fantastic four. Okay, know the rules. Let's see. Rules number 1. 2 syllables word. 2 suku kata. Jadi kata yang terdiri dari hanya 2 suku kata. It divided into 2. The first one is noun and adjective. Jadi kata noun sama adjective. Yang kedua, itu penekanan katanya atau stress wordnya disimpan di first syllable. For verbs, verbs, put it on the second syllable. Jadi untuk noun and adjective, itu disimpan di suku kata pertama, kemudian untuk verb, itu di suku kata yang kedua. Let's see the example. Guess it. This one. Is it verb or a noun? It could be both, yeah. Or no. No, it's a noun. So, we put on the con. Penekanan kata disimpan di syllable pertama. Karena ini terdiri dari 2 suku kata ya. Con and track. So, put on the first syllable. So, we pronounce it with a correct stress word will be contract. Contract. Tidak contract. Contract. See the differences ya. Simpannya di con penekanannya. So, contract. Okay, this one. Verb or noun? Addict is a verb. So, we put on the second syllable. Addict. Addict. Okay. Addiction. So, this one is a noun. So, we put on the first syllable. Discount. Discount. Okay. This one. 2 syllables, con and verse. Is it verb or noun? Yeah, very good. Noun. Converse. Converse. Okay, that's the part 1.